Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, do not adjust your screen. You are seeing that correctly. I decided to pick up the Moto G Stylus 2025. I wanted to pick up a Motorola phone this year, and actually, I didn't even know that this phone was coming out until a case company sent me an email saying, hey, do you want to review the cases? And I'm like, yeah, why not? So I went and looked on their website. You can get this phone right now for $399. The only bad part about it is you have the color I got, which is Surf the Web, and then this other one called Gibraltar Sea color. They're both blue. But I decided to pick it up. Motorola is one of my favorite companies to use. I've been having multiple phones from them. Plus, I still have my Razr 2024. Look at that thing. I love that blue color too. So why not? I wanted to put it out in this video. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, maybe do your first impressions, go over the specs, and then we can go from there. Y'all let me know what videos you want to see from me on this device, and I can definitely try to make them. But nice presentation from them. Pretty simple. Doesn't look like it has a charging brick in there, which I doubt they will. But I haven't had a stylus pen or like any review since like, I think I did the first one when it came out, and then also the LG Stylus was another phone that we used to review. It says plastic-free packaging. So you get the phone. I'm gonna come back to that. I don't think there's anything else in this box. You get your books, probably SIM card slot remover. You got cables there. So no charging port, charging brick, no, looks like no case in here either. Sometimes they come with cases, but just books and stuff. So kind of boring, kind of used to it. It is what it is. Now, y'all come for the phone anyway, so let's see how we get this bad boy open without. The back is a vegan leather, just like the other ones. Oh, I like that color. Man. Bam, look at that. Does it have power? So I kind of wanted to do a little bit different color than this one. Bam. What y'all think about that color there? It says, hello, Moto. So let's go over the specs really quick too. On the back, you have a 50 megapixel main shooter with a 13 megapixel ultra wide that also acts like a macro lens there. Supposed to be a better lens, and you're supposed to be able to shoot, you know, nighttime videos and photos pretty good. We'll test that out though. Bam. Then also on the front, you have a 32 megapixel front shooter. With this device, it has a, let's go back, 6.7 inch POLED panel. It's slightly above 1080p. The resolution is 2712 by 1220, so slightly higher than 1080p. It has a 120 hertz refresh rate on here. They call it the super high def panel. It comes with Android 15 straight out the box. I don't know if you have Motorola phones before, their updates can be a little bit slow. It has the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor in here, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, but it does have a SD card slot, so you can expand it up to 1 terabyte, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It does also support 68 watt turbo charging, but you have to have, you know, the charging brick. Also 15 watt wireless charging, IP68 water resistance on here. So it has a lot of good features for $399. My S25 Ultra here has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and running Android 15 too. So I'm excited about this phone, and let's go over it too. So there's the cameras there. You have the power button, the volume rockers. What is that, y'all? What is that? That is a headphone jack in 2025. You have your charging port, speakers. It has dual speakers on here. And you have your little stylus pen. Oh my goodness. Stylus pen there. Bam. But a headphone jack in 2025? That's amazing. Then you have your SIM card slot and SD card holder there. Microphone at the top. Bam. The little Motorola logo there. I don't want to. Bam. And I like how the screen is flat there. You can shoot 4K at 60 frames. I'm gonna pause the video. Let me go put my stuff in here. I'll come right back. Okay, everyone. So I was able to go ahead and set it up, and this thing is nice. I am really excited to start using it. I'm gonna come back and give y'all, you know, maybe 24 hours later with it, or even, you know, maybe a couple days later with it. Look, check out the stylus. When you pull it out, you can write a note. You can do you can take screenshots. You can sketch an image if you wanted to. Handwriting calculator. So, man. And the pen feels really solid too. It's not like a cheaply made stylus. So the stylus is really nice on here. The screen looks beautiful too. Snappy. Not a problem. Still downloading some of my apps too. But overall, I mean, yeah, really snappy looking. I like the feel too. I like this vegan leather in here. Bam. Let's see how much storage we have. It still has 226 gigs of storage available, so not bad at all. Also, the fingerprint scanner is an under display fingerprint, and it worked pretty good. Let's see. And it's unlocked there. Stay tuned to the channel. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this phone. Let's check out the cameras too real quick. Let's try to take a picture real quick. Shout out to Go Blue. Got it. So not bad. I love Motorola. I love this, how simple it is. I love how it interacts with the Google Android 15. Usually it's a great marriage between those two systems. All right, before we wrap it up, let's just check the size comparison. I like to do this. Look, S25 Ultra. So it's a big phone. I mean, it has a great display, great size display. If you like those bigger displays on phones, then this one may be for you to pick up. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. Drop a comment. If you picking this up, let me know. If you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can definitely pick it up from their website, and it helps the channel also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola G Stylus 2025. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.